guys, it's Nick and I'm here in Plant City, Florida on December 19th, the Saturday before Christmas, in this really cool little downtown area here. And they have a really big car show the third Saturday of every month. So I'm gonna walk around, check out this little town. Has a railroad, has some old shops and stuff like that, and also check out the car show. So this is Plant City. It's a small downtown area with train tracks running through it. There's an Amtrak going through here. Just went through a few minutes ago, and it's an old town. It's, I think, from like the 1860s or something like that. Walking through here, it doesn't look like a Florida town. It looks like an old northeastern kind of city, and it reminds me a little bit of It's a Wonderful Life kind of town, Bedford Falls, which is supposed to be in upstate New York. I think it's based on Seneca, the movie It's a Wonderful Life, the Christmas movie with Jimmy Stewart. That's kind of the vibe I get here, even though of course there's no snow because this is Florida. But they have a pretty big car show here, and so I'm going to walk through it and check it out and look at the crowds on this Saturday before Christmas. Who's out? Linda's Crab Shack looks like a good place. So some really cool looking cars. It definitely skews more towards American cars, but you got this really custom Volkswagen Bug pickup truck. Never seen one of these. Really nice. A lot of older cars. I don't even know what this is. Chrysler. Wow, old Chrysler. Oh, here's a BMW 2002. How did I miss this? Very nice condition. Wow.
I'm a customer of his. Let's just put it that way, okay? And you know, it's funny because
so yeah, two German cars, but you see it's a lot of older classics, a lot of really well restored stuff. I mean, look at this Cadillac. Pretty amazing.
We started taking that, and it started making it so he could relax and sleep. And he told me about it.
What is this, an old Chrysler 300? Plymouth Fury. I could just imagine this car driving through this town back in the, I don't know, what is that, from the 60s maybe?
They don't even live anymore. And I'm thinking, oh, I should have said that when I was arguing with that person, you know, or I should have made that point, you know, and some of these people aren't even alive anymore. It's like, I couldn't get my mind to shut down.
So I came here because, kind of because of the car show, but kind of because I wanted to see downtown Plant City. And it has a railroad museum over here, which is closed right now. But really good turnout, it seems. A lot of people here. And I don't know if you don't know about Plant City. It's about 25 miles east of Tampa. And it's known for its strawberries. And every March it has a strawberry festival, which is really cool. I've been to once before. And apparently Plant City is responsible, or the area around it, I guess, is responsible for 3/4 of all the strawberries produced in the U.S. or consumed in the U.S. during the winter season.
It's good stuff. It's legal. It's not going to cause you to fail.
So if you like strawberries, definitely come out here in March and check out the Strawberry Festival. It's a lot of good stuff, but if you don't, come out here on the third Saturday of the month and check out this car show, and then just check out the downtown and all these little shops and stuff. So here's the train tracks. There's a really old school kind of soda shop cafe over there, the Whistle Stop Cafe. It looks like it's from the 1950s or something. And there's a kind of a historic district in the town here with a lot of old houses. This town was settled somewhere around I think the 1860s or something like that. And Plant City has about 38,000 people living here, and it's about 25 square miles. And it got its name Plant City not because they grow a lot of food like strawberries, but because the guy who brought the railroad through here, his last name was Plant, and so they changed the name from, it was a American Indian name that was really long and hard to pronounce, so they changed it to Plant City because of that.
That's in Australia.
But this is a really good amount of cars here, and it extends all the way down the street.
You want to talk to me? Hi, would you talk to me? I'm going to hand you the microphone here. All right, what do we got here? What are we selling?
Let's see, another Volkswagen Bug, some Vets, Mustangs.
How long will it last? Days?
From 8 to 10 hours.
Okay.
So you can get from a $10 bag probably almost 200 hours.
Walking through this car show
Wow.
in this old town is, I guess, the closest thing you'll get to going back into time, into like the 50s small town America or something along those lines. At least that's the, that's the way I imagine it walking through here. So really cool place. I would definitely come down here, check out maybe the car show, the strawberry festival, and maybe check out some of these shops along the street here. There's some antique shops and, like I said, some old style cafes, restaurants kind of places. So that's the extent of the car show. Now I'm going to walk down the main street over here to show you some of the shops. It's not a huge downtown, but it's pretty nice. I gotta say that it's definitely not like a gentrified downtown yet. It seems. I see some, empty shops and whatnot. But I don't know, I like this little town. I could see with these buildings here, I don't know if enough people moved here, I could see this place getting a lot nicer, like these empty shops over here. You don't see like the high-end cafes or something. It's more folksy kind of throwback kind of look and style to them. I don't think there's a Starbucks here or a Dunkin' Donuts. Matter of fact, I don't see any national kind of chain store anywhere here. Maybe on a few blocks down there might be like a Subway or something like that. But yeah, I guess this is kind of the main intersection, Collins and Reynolds. And so you see, you got these antique shops, and they look, I'm not an antiquer, but they look pretty interesting actually. I wouldn't mind browsing through here. A lot of Christmas stuff. So yeah, it's not huge, but it's definitely an interesting little place. And like I said, it's about 25 miles east of Tampa, halfway about between Tampa and Lakeland on Interstate 4 you would take to get here. So you have the old quintessential old movie theater over there, which I don't believe is a movie theater anymore, but this definitely has the look of the old-time America downtown. You got the railroad track, you got the little cafe, you got the movie theater over here. But I think the trains that go through here are strictly freights and Amtraks. It's not like there's a local commuter line or anything like that. But a nice little town, I gotta say. And so I might check out this soda fountain place over here. The old telephone booth outside. And what's over here? Music store, restaurant. So I'll tell you what, if you are from someplace else and are thinking of getting out of Dodge up northeast someplace, you know, you could do worse than a place like this. Little town, it's not super expensive, the housing over here, and with a lot of people moving to Florida, I could just see this town like this just getting nicer and nicer, especially because they have the downtown already. You know, it's walkable, so it's a nice little place. I wonder if there's a phone in this booth. I doubt it. No phone. And there's seats outside. And Crazy Cup. I guess this is a cafe. This looks like the old department store, Anchor department store, the Five and Dime, Woolworths or something like that. Look at this place, it's huge. But what do you put in it now? Is it like a bingo place now? Wow. This could be a Starbucks any day now. Who knows? So this is it. Come check it out.